Okay, today I'm going to make one of my favorite dishes. It's a Sicilian dish. It's called braciola. Alright, and what you need is thin sliced steaks. Okay, I'm using beef sirloin tip steak today. You need plenty of garlic, our favorite cheeses. This is Asiago, and this is Locatelli, Pecorino Romano. This is more Romano, Pecorino Romano, parsley, and let's see, where is it? Olive oil, which I have to fill that up again. Okay, and this, want to use a little bit lighter extra virgin dressing and marinating. Gives it a little bit lighter flavor. So here we go. All right, first you want to do is take your garlic, cut the little ends off, the heads there, like this. All right, unless you want a little more, I don't know, crunch. Some people don't bother with that. You have to take that off, smash it, okay, pull the skin off. Alright, that's that. Okay, do that to about, depending on how many steaks, I have 6 there, and I like a lot of garlic, so I do about 6 to 8 large cloves of garlic, fresh. Don't want to use anything in a jar, and you certainly don't want to use garlic powder because it doesn't give it the rich flavor of fresh garlic. All right, okay, so I got what, 6, 7, 8, whatever I have there. All right, so what you want to do now is chop these up. All right, first you could do it this way to make it easier. Slice them, don't slice your finger like I almost just did there. Slice them up like this, small pieces, okay? And there's another way to do this too, if you have a chopper, make it easier, okay? But this way is, to me, the better way to do it. Okay, you slice them up, and then you just take your knife and make sure you always put your fingernails under the edge of the knife this way. Put your knuckles against there and keep your fingernails away. This way you won't get your hands cut up. Alright, slice and dice. Alright, that's what we're doing now. Okay. Alright, you can do more than one if you want at a time, but you want to get them all sliced as fine as possible. Like I said, if you have a chopper, you can throw them in a chopper and just chop them that way. Food processors work. You could actually put the garlic in and the rest of the ingredients in the processor if you like it that way. Doesn't really matter as long as everything is chopped fine. Okay. And take these here. The rest of these off.